Kitten stretch so long.
Tiny paws, soft and strong.
Kitten stretch up high.
Back goes arched toward the sky.
Kitten gives a yawn so wide. Little pink tongue peeks outside. Kitten gives a yawn so slow. Blinking eyes begin to glow.
Stretch one paw, stretch the other. Curl up close to sister, brother. Stretch one paw, tail up high. Flick it once and blink an eye.
Kitten rolls from side to side.
Purr goes soft like gentle tide.
Kitten rolls and settles down.
Comfy spot is finally found.
Kitten, rest a while. Sleepy face and whiskered smile.
Stretch and yawn, day begun.
Ready now for kitten fun.